Hello guys, and welcome to EduShaman YouTube channel again. Golf is not a very popular sport in India. It's a rich man's sport. So let's just understand the way this game works. How do you score in this game? It's a very simple game that way. You have a hole in the large ground. It's like, but this ground is not even. It consists of slopes and curves. So it's not like you hit the ball from here and it moves in a straight line. Sometimes it takes a detour. The ball moves something like this and it reaches the hole. Okay, and here is the player. So depending on the obstacles that are between the hole and the place from which the golfer hits the ball, there is something called as a par 3 shot, a par 4 shot, or a par 5 shot. This is like the estimated number of shots the golfer would take to land the ball to the hole. Like if some shot is pretty simple, then the ball would hop like this and fall at some place, and then the golfer would take another go at it, and the ball would land somewhere over here, and then the golfer would take another shot at it. So totally he has taken three shots, one, two, and three shots. So this is a par three shot. Par three is like this is what is expected. This is the average number of shots an average person would take. But say you land direct, say when you hit the ball, it directly lands at the hole, then you have taken just one shot. So this one shot would be called as below par 2 shots. That is, you have taken two shots lesser than what it normally takes. So your score would be -2. That is two shots less. So in golf, the more negative your score is, the better you are. Say your score is -10, then that is better than -8. -20 is better than -10. It shows that you have saved 20 shots than an average player. You have landed the ball at the hole with 20 lesser shots than an average player would. So totally there are four rounds in golf, and in four rounds you'll have to hit 18 holes. So there will be 18 holes at different places. Okay, because a golf course is like, it's very huge. So that means 18 times you have to land the ball to the hole. So in this Olympics, and in each round the total par value is 71. That is, they expect you to take 71 shots to fill in these 18 holes. This is like a standard which is being adopted. But say you do it in 65 shots. In 65 shots, if you are able to clear all the 18 holes, then your score would be -6. And if somebody does it with only 60 shots, then their score would be -11. And -11 is definitely better than -6. So you get 4 rounds for 18 holes. And these 4 rounds are played on 4 different days. So what is the difference between a par 3 shot and a par 4 shot? Say you have to hit the ball in the hole which is located over here. You are located over here, and there are trees. So you can't really see the hole. Okay, so you hit the ball somewhere over here, and from here you hit the ball directly to the hole. So this is comparatively a tough shot. So, or say there are some obstacles over here as well, and probably you will have to land your ball somewhere over here and then over here. So this would be a tougher hole to play. So the par level of this hole would be higher than the par level of a simpler hole to be filled. If somebody is over here and they have to land up the hole over here, then it's far more easy. This can be considered as a par 1 shot, as a par 1 hole. Okay, so this is how it is assigned. This indicates the difficulty level of the hole to be filled. So totally you have the range. Range is from par 3 to par 5. So they expect you to fill up the hole in 3 to 5 shots depending on the toughness. So once again, let's congratulate Aditya Ashok for bringing golf into the mainstream, in India at least, because we aren't very used to seeing games other than cricket, especially not in games like golf, which people rarely know about.